In today's competitive world of design and manufacturing, precision and innovation are key, and that's where CATIA shines. Developed by Dassault Systèmes, CATIA is a powerful CAD, CAM, and K software suite trusted by top industries including aerospace, automotive, and consumer products. With its robust 3D modeling and surface design tools, CATIA helps engineers create complex, detailed, and aesthetically refined designs. Whether it's conceptual styling, simulation, or product lifecycle management, CATIA provides end-to-end solutions for every stage of development. What sets CATIA apart is its capability to handle large assemblies and facilitate collaborative, concurrent engineering, making teamwork across global teams seamless. From advanced surface modeling in generative shape design to realistic simulations, CATIA ensures that designs are not only innovative but also manufacturable and performance-ready. Industries rely on CATIA for developing electric vehicles, autonomous systems, and lightweight materials with unmatched accuracy. Whether you are a beginner exploring 3D modeling or a professional tackling complex assemblies, CATIA delivers the tools you need to bring bold ideas to life. Ready to transform your design vision into reality? Start your journey with CATIA today.